enter names of students in the first column. Now enter the names of subjects in the first row. Now enter the marks of each student in front of each subject. Select the table. Choose the font. Choose the size of the font. Center the font. Then select the row. Choose its color. Then select the table and choose its color. We will add borders to the table. Select the table, choose all borders, then choose more borders. Choose the style and its color. Click outline, then choose the style and its color. Click inside, then click OK. To add a shape, select a row, click insert, choose shapes, any shape you want. To change the color of the shape, select the shape, click format, choose shape fill, choose the color or picture or gradient or texture. To add a text, select the shape, right click, choose edit text, then write. To change the color of the text, select the text, click bold, italic, underline, center, and choose its color. Thank you and goodbye.